Today in this video you know about how far can a 4-inch by 12-inch glulam beam span. You have to figure out the maximum span length for a 4-inch by 12-inch glulam beam. First, you know about what is glulam beam. It is glue laminated timber and made from multiple layers of sheet of dimensional lumber with adhesive material which is highly durable and water resistance, and it is engineering wood product used as beam header and column in building construction. Here we first make a rough diagram to understand about the different dimension of this beam. This one is a rough diagram. This is the length span you have to figure out, and this one is the width section of beam, that is about 4 inches, and this one is the depth section of beam which is about 12 inches. And here the nominal depth of beam, that is 12 inches, nominal width of beam, that is about 4 inches, and you have to figure out the span length of beam. What will be the span length? The span length of beam depends on many factors like the building code in your area, what will be building code in area, and the second major factor, that is expected load condition, what will be the load acting on the beam. The first is live load, which is about 40 pound per square foot, and the dead load, that is about 10 pound per square foot, and the total expected load, that is about 50 pound per square footage. This one is the major factor that deciding the span length of a 4 by 12 inch glulam beam. And what will be the actual size of this beam? The actual size is half inch less than the nominal depth and nominal width. That's why the nominal width, that is 3.5 inches, and the nominal depth, that is 11.5 inches. This one is the depth and this one is the width section of beam. And here you have to calculate the span length as per thumb rule. What will be the thumb rule to calculate the span length for a glulam beam? The span length of this beam is the nominal depth multiply 1.5, and nominal depth of this beam is 12 multiply 1.5, that will be about 18 foot. That's why a 4 by 12 glulam beam can span maximum distance of about 18 foot. Thank you.